industries. Types of computer: 1. Digital computer. 2. Analog computer. 3. Hybrid computer. 1. Digital computer. This is a type of computer that perform only the task of calculations such as additions, subtraction, multiplication, division, square root, and other basic calculations. They include calculators, adding machines, counting machines, etc. 2. Analog computer. This is the type of computer that is designed for measurement and does not have any other different function other than measurement. They include speedometer, measurement of speed, barometer, measurement of pressure, thermometer, measurement of temperature, fuel dispenser, measurement of quantity of fuel, measuring scale, measurement of weight of a substance. 3. Hybrid computer. This is the type of computer that can perform both the functions of calculation and measurement. They are more advanced type of computer. Examples of such computers are mobile phone, microcomputers, laptop, desktop, notebook, and mini computers. Laptop and smartphone computers. Laptop. A laptop is a battery or AC-powered personal computer that can be easily carried and used in a variety of locations. Many laptops are designed to have all of the functionality of a desktop computer, which means they can generally run the same software and open the same types of files. However, some laptops, such as notebooks, sacrifice some functionality in order to be even more portable. Notebook. A notebook is a type of laptop that is designed to be even more portable. Notebooks are often cheaper than laptops or desktops. They are generally less powerful than other types of computers, but they provide enough power for email and internet access, which is where the name notebook comes from. Mobile device. A mobile device is basically any handheld computer. It is designed to be extremely portable, often fitting in the palm of your hand or in your pocket. Some mobile devices are more powerful, and they allow you to do many of the same things you can do with a desktop or laptop computer. These include tablet computers, e-readers, and smartphones. Tablet computers, like laptops, tablet computers are designed to be portable. However, they provide a very different computing experience. The most obvious difference is that tablet computers don't have keyboards or touchpad. Instead, the entire screen is touch sensitive, allowing you to type on a virtual keyboard and use your finger as a mouse pointer. Tablet computers are mostly designed for consuming media, and they are optimized for tasks like web browsing, watching videos, reading e-books, and playing games. For many people, a regular computer like a desktop or laptop is still needed in order to use some programs. However, the convenience of a tablet computer means that it may be ideal as a second computer. Smartphone. A smartphone is a powerful mobile phone that is designed to run a variety of applications in addition to phone service. They are basically small tablet computers, and they can be used for web browsing, watching videos, reading e-books, playing games, and more.